Hello again. In this video, I will explain the equations in the Overleaf or Latex for IEEE format. I will show you the basic three types of equations. First, let's start with the equation which I highlight right now on the screen. So, as shown here. So basically, if your equation is more than one lines or not in sentences, or it is complex as is shown in this equation, then you need to use this equation as shown here. Like you need to start with begin and end statement. Right now, I will not go deeper through this code, since I already have attached the code in description box below. You can go ahead and use that from there by downloading that. So secondly, I will I will show you I will talk about the percentage symbol. Basically, if you want to use percentage in your code, Latex or Overleaf will get confused, since a percentage is generally used as a comment in Overleaf. That's why we need to use slash on the slash in front of the percentage symbol. After that, everything will work properly. Otherwise, it will understand you as a comment. So, and it will get confused. Lastly, I will go through to the dollar sign. Basically, if you are writing bigger equations but one line equation inside the sentence, you need to use the dollar sign. Otherwise, Overleaf logic will get it as an error and it will show this kind of error on the screen. Even sometimes it doesn't compile the code. Therefore, using a dollar sign will always be useful for you. Alright, that's it. If you find my video useful, please like this video and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.